Before the racing even began, this special edition of Whipped Wednesday marked the community's first official in-person meet at Golf and Stuff in Ventura. Bringing together everything from JDM builds and muscle cars to trucks and daily drivers, it set the stage for an evening focused on cars, community, and Southern California automotive culture.
She just moved to Camarillo, go to see Sucky, and she drive a drop top clean with the top down low. She be tryna cruise slow, she be tryna cruise slow. She just moved to Camarillo, go to see Sucky, and she drive a drop top clean with the top down low. She be tryna cruise slow, she be tryna.
One of the most recognizable BMWs ever built is the second generation 3 Series, better known by enthusiasts as the E30. Produced from 1982 through 1994, the E30 helped establish BMW as a leader in the compact sports sedan market by combining everyday practicality with balanced, driver-focused performance. Development of the E30 actually began in the late 1970s, with BMW engineers redesigning the suspension to improve handling over its predecessor. The result was a car that became known for its predictable cornering, near 50-50 weight distribution, and engaging driving experience, qualities that still make it a favorite among enthusiasts today. Throughout its production run, BMW expanded the lineup from a simple 2-door coupe to include 4-door sedans, convertibles, the touring wagon, and even the company's first production all-wheel drive model, the 325iX. Then, in 1986, BMW introduced what would become one of the most legendary performance cars of all time, the E30 M3. Built to satisfy racing homologation rules, the M3 dominated touring car championships around the world and remains one of the most successful race cars in motorsport history. By the late 1980s, the E30 received updated styling with sleeker bumpers, improved lighting, and refined engines, helping keep it competitive until production eventually gave way to the E36 generation. Today, the E30 has become a true collector's classic. Its timeless boxy styling, analog driving feel, and enormous aftermarket support had made it one of the most modified BMW platforms ever built. Whether restored to factory condition or transformed with custom paint, suspension upgrades, modern wheels, or engine swaps, the E30 continues to represent one of the most celebrated chapters in BMW's automotive history.
I see you rolling, I can see it in your shadow. Wanna jump up in my midnight color Lambo. Maybe take a ride through the city lights slow. Watch the skyline glow. Oh, red that all on the road. Red that, give it some more. Red that, hear the motor roll. Red that, oh. Red that all on the road. Red that, give it some more. Red that, hear the motor roll. Red that, oh. Pulling up slow with the chrome all shining, engine humming while the street lights lining. Crowd turns heads when the wheels start sliding. Every lane feels like perfect timing. Dashboard lights all glowing bright now. Hear the turbo sing when I shift right now. Rolling through the city with the skyline. Every mile feels like the right time. I see you rolling, I can see it in your shadow. Wanna jump up in my midnight color Lambo. Maybe take a ride through the city lights slow. Watch the skyline glow. Oh, red that all on.
One of the true highlights of pre-war American automotive design is the 1937 Buick Series 40 Special. Distinguished by its iconic waterfall grille, split windshield, sweeping fenders, and elegant chrome trim, this Buick represented a turning point for the brand during the late 1930s. The 1937 model year marked a major design revolution under General Motors styling chief Harley Earl, whose streamlined Art Deco influence gave Buick a more modern aerodynamic appearance. Compared to the upright styling of earlier cars, the 1937 Buick featured a wider all-steel body, integrated fenders, and a lower, sleeker profile that helped define the look of American automobiles heading into the next decade. Under the hood, Buick moved exclusively to its famous overhead valve straight 8 engines. The Series 40 Special was powered by a 248 cubic inch Dynaflash straight 8, producing around 100 horsepower, an impressive figure for its time. Combined with independent front suspension and full hydraulic brakes, it delivered a smoother, more refined driving experience than many of its competitors. Beyond its styling and engineering, the 1937 Buick played an important role in the company's history. Sales climbed to record levels during the model year, helping Buick recover from the economic hardships of the Great Depression and securing its place as one of America's premier luxury automobile manufacturers. Today, beautifully restored examples like this one are admired not only for their craftsmanship and timeless elegance, but also for representing one of the most influential chapters in Buick's nearly 125-year automotive legacy.
Yeah. Yeah. Baby, I like your drive. Hands on the wheel, left lane, right lane. You know that we don't stop. Night roads call, but we never lose control, even when we roll.